Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use structure blocks in Minecraft. First we need to get one. Type /give your username structure_block in the chat. This command gives us a structure block. It has three modes: corner, load, and save. Let's say I want to copy this church. I'll place blocks at opposite corners of the church. It'll be here. Like this roughly. Name both blocks the same to link them. In my case, I'll click corner and name it tester. Let's hit save. Now, fly to the second block. Again, click corner and type tester. Hit save here too. Place another block nearby as a save point for the tester. Here we can see the edges. Perfect. Click save. Now we can use this structure elsewhere in the world. Let's fly to another area. Place a structure block where you want to rebuild. Click load and type tester, then hit load twice. Here's our church, slightly off because I miscalculated. That's all for now. This is Velar. Like and subscribe. See you later.